getting used to it.
Boy, talk about right next to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it too. I'm just gonna pass by. Yep. That's what's subconscious there. Hold the thing up. I mean, I just want to you gotta lift your nose good. Yeah, that guy's good.
Come here.
There we go. I got it. Quiet.
Did you get it? Ooh, another one.
We'll have a lot.